Alright. Yeah, guys and girls, I'm hoping it's nice and straight. Let's have a look. Yeah, should be. For some reason it's I've got my chest harness on from GoPro. A little overpriced, I would say, for a little sort of chest harness. But yeah, it's quite comfortable. So that's probably where you're paying it, really, actually, is the comfortability and all that. And just taking my doing it in 1080p 60 frames per second, so you'll see the quickness on it. And also I'm using, I think it's super view, so you can view it in super wide, I think top to bottom, left to right, and all that kind of stuff. So this is just more like a, I'd say, a test in this one for the first 9 minutes or so. There we go. Right, the sound qualities on it is really good. I've got this attached to the mode and all that kind of stuff, guys and girls. So it's pretty cool. Thank you. And I'm also using the high mode at the moment, just to get to where I've got to go at the moment. The pet's at home. Just trying to push this up a little tiny bit, because for some reason I've got a cloth attached into it at the moment, just to make it a little bit sort of straighter. Because for some reason, if I lift it up sort of straight like that, you can see it's nice and straight, but it's not actually straight at all, unless it's the thing I've got to get for it. I might have to get like a nothing really much came with it, really. It was like a clip where you can use the clip on, and then there's like a little sort of a bolt that goes into it, like a little screw. You screw at the screw into the little sort of hole, and that's supposed to hold the camera, the GoPro 7 Black Edition. That's one I've got here with me testing out in 1080p. I'm hoping I'll get a good decent battery life out of it and not overheat. My god, look at all those bags. Hope you're getting that, guys and girls, on the floor. All that on the floor as well. Like, got some, look at that, birds there, look. Beautiful birds. Oh. Oh. Doing about 15 miles per hour, so 60 frames per second. You'll see pretty much the video in smoothness, and it's got a stabilizer on it as well, a bit like a gimbal. So when you're using the gimbal, yeah, when you're using the gimbal, here we go, I'm going to come up to the 1 mile now. Right, hang on, guys and girls. There we go, real fast, 16 miles per hour. Whew. Quite smooth. Brakes are really good. Alright, gotta wait a minute. So, make sure there's no traffic then. Make sure this way. And I don't know if you guys and girls will be able to see that way. No, it seems fine at the moment, but you see this here? I've got this tucked under my chest sort of bit, where the chest bit area is. That way I can slightly get it nice and tight and straight, because I've got my bag on here as well, so got to be careful. Alright, let's do it. I mean, with the wide field of view, you should be able to sort of get a decent thing going. I mean, this has got a nice kick on this bicycle, I'll tell you. Alright. Alright, here we go, guys and girls. Right, we're gonna do this now. Let's get ready. Because this is one where you've got a priority on coming traffic. Alright, now. It's good though. Nice. I mean, I could have jumped easily and got across there, but I'm a nice guy, so let's go that way. Alright, there we go. We're gonna go to the right side around this roundabout. Oh, smells of burning shit going on at the moment. Alright, here we go. Thank you. Alright, here we go. And hopefully it's got the wind noise cancellation on this as well, because with the wind you should be able to hear me through the wind. So it should be nice and quiet and smooth. Alright, oh, that's that hill bit now. Whew. Out by Ebden. Alright, let's get over this way a little bit. Always good for, actually this harness is really good for people like in cars. Safety first, guys and girls, safety first. There we go, overtook. Even though there's a car there, but still a bit dangerous. I'm going to drop down to standard. Actually, I'm going to put it on eco. Alright, here we go, nice ride. I'm not even actually using my pedals yet. Nope, no pedals yet. No pedals yet. Now I'm back in, dropped on the speed. Okay. Alright, I'll put my hand out. Alright, and my other one to the left. Alright. Oh, absolutely amazing, this bicycle. But I like that song called Bicycle. Come on, do it. Get to the chopper or get to the bicycle, do it. Hi. Get to the bicycle. Hi. Let's get over this side. Right, come on. Let's do it. Woohoo! Right. Right. Now I've got to watch out that. Make sure there's no cars coming. There we go. Right. Right, we've got to go into a rural area. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, bloody hell. Shit, now. I've got to watch all these other cars here. Alright, hang on. Ah, bloody hell. No one letting anybody. Right, oh. Right, hang on. After this one, I think. Right. Too many cars on the road, so you've got to be extremely careful. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, there you go, guys and girls. And that's how you do it. Nice and easy and safe. Alright. Right. Woohoo! And then we speed up. Alright. Woo! All good, all good. Alright, there we go. And then move legs. Alright. Right, so just wait here for a minute. Just one more car there. Now I can turn around here. Right. And now we're back. Thank you. Getting close, that shit's that white thing. They're not really allowed to sort of go over the line. I'm going to say the line over the other side of the road is absolutely much smaller than this line. There's not really much room in like sort of cycling and western that much. Just got to make do what you got with really, until they make a proper cycle lane for western and all that. Anyway, guys and girls, let us know how I'm doing cycle wise. 1 to 10 roughly, like between 1 and 10. How am I doing?